nurse a nurse will call duty in there begging pankwa you save life. You understand? And we respect you girls a lot. Ladies, nurses, you're born too much. And we agree with you though. There are certain demands I will make it makes sense. But to the expense of Obina life and as a you are going against one kasabwa share.
Yes,
you know there a begging pankwan. You understand? So I am here point there. Most of these nurses where them go on strike. What shall our boyfriends what them na what you dog you? Imagine the guilt of you having fun with your boyfriend when other lives are being lost.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
So I forward from VJ Park or Rich. I had him here Park or Rich Studios. Say a nurse, another when you could be a nurse. Friend there, you're back on who some into umbra. I'm not here alone. I'm doing this with my brother PKB.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. PKB
PKB more answer DJ.
Correct one.
Yeah, man.
You hear say the Ghana nurse, they say they day on strike.
Yeah, they say they do strike. People they die.
Where somebody die,
people,
right?
Yeah, people they die. Call somebody die safe.
But you hear them claims. That's the reason why I was.
Oh, Charlie, they make some demands. They say them are insurance. If them nurses they sick, when they go hospital, they pay for money. Government for step inside give them and some other allowances and incentives. Charlie, big man, you know, be easy.
But then,
they don't make them more money.
But it make sense.
For me, I feel, yeah, them are demands. They make sense. But the fact that they go on strike and lives are being lost, what is their duty? Their duty is to save lives. You understand? Save life. Until at least if they can go on a strike and run some shift and still make their demands, it will be best. Because what is your profession? Your profession is to save life. Now you are going on strike and people are dying. So what is your job now? You know, it be very dicey. Yeah, I understand. Say there are demands there, therefore make them our demands because they also to me call idea. You know, some of the demands they make sense, but some to I feel say therefore relax, therefore cool down, and one step at a time. Akufo-Addo they talk like that. But also you know if you just turn up they do strike, they make demands so. But Mama Kampawa, like, you know, I feel sometimes they see Mama say maybe be very lenient. So some of the things it be some way. They go overboard too much. Charlie, nurses, we the people in this country. You do your job nice and simple. If you can go on strike and people won't die, fine. But at the expense of people losing their lives, then what is your core mandate? Because your core mandate is to make sure that you save lives. Now, you're on strike and you are not being able to save lives and people are dying and you are making demands. Well,
I say, Obi Bakere PKB is on whatever kind of brofu be brain and time I'm in show. Zora Kenny nine there. Nurse, a nurse, I will call duty in there. Begging in pankwa, you save life. You understand? And we respect you girls a lot. Ladies, nurses, you're born too much. And we agree with you though. There are certain demands I will make it makes sense. But to the expense of Obina life and as a you are going against one kasabwa share.
Yes,
you know there a begging in pankwan. You understand? So I am here point there. Most of these nurses where them go on strike. What shall our boyfriends what them na what you dog you? Imagine the guilt of you having fun with your boyfriend when other lives are being lost. Because they are on strike, there is to know here free medical care now. But I aware the police for being more baby. What fridge is they are not talking. But should the police for why you're far why your eyes block? They need to support their husbands because pain someone. Ghana no bien you are ye juma ma bana or ye 100% okay. Into a company that we are all going on strike. Na ye we are not being fair. I'm not saying in there my yamono. That were free old school nurses that won't be edgeman. It be best.
Retired nurses.
You know, if you school that's one I want post to one of zan and they haven't posted me, they have a chihuahua post to strike and all you were there. Nurses, you are doing fantastic jobs. But this time around, Boko strike as a Boko dog on God is watching you. Shade bunchar, shade you on your news. Now we could address it from now doggy. No be damn pardon all cry for help, and next you are shouting, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. God is watching you.
Give it to me,
and
baby.
if that person dies, no blood will be on your head. Linda, I will.
One Linda.
On your home, Esther, Lena, Queen, Felicia, Yanes. Echo strike him as an area.
Oh, child.
It's one area TV. When other people they die. Yes, I wanna. Nyanya mohu faso. Intimo porcho. You people should calm down for us. No one we and banyan. Just have sympathy on the citizens. I personally, Marikacha by no so that most of all but if the government or you're not parts, the government or you're not parts, no sorts of nurse for out, now will resume me. Now we start here, do my nurse be a yababa hospital, but you're disrespectful, A bet say, fancy you can a bet so we can keba. You know what I mean? Because we are not going to pay our taxes that want more free medical care. Then we don't come to hospital and nurse. You say, I won't hear more bono. Yet the death or the bed cleaning wall. Then we'll reset you. So we beg you, if possible, Mombra back. Now when you want to negotiate, they have felt that you are important. Yes, but then I am a young day. Miguel Bioy and Ness walk or strike in a moon baby or war. I don't know who. Now I capture. And can't strike a mamina home for sway. Oh God. PKB, have you dated a nurse before?
Was again nurse.
You get nurse. Nurses they don't
go work.
Nurses they don't save only life at the hospital. They save some lives at home. And you save life at home and both at work.
Okay.
And so we love you. Munkwe and I. Dog in the 3 days, Ajika Croye, Lenda Bredjuma I. Macron, bye bye.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Welcome to the rich.